Hi guys, welcome back to Storytime Read Out Loud for you. Today is day 3 of the Disney Storytime Advent Calendar. And today's story is A Disney Princess, A Place to Belong. Let's get started.
Disney Princess, A Place to Belong. One sunny morning, Jasmine and Aladdin were just sitting down for breakfast when the royal chef arrived with bright blue cake.
"What's this for?"
Aladdin asked. Then his ears turned pink as he turned to Jasmine.
"Oh no, I didn't forget your birthday, did I?"
No, silly, she said with a laugh. Look, there's a message written in the icing.
"I'll see you really soon. Love, Genie." The genie is coming to visit.
Aladdin exclaimed. But when is really soon? Ta-da! Poof! With a display of sparks and confetti, the genie burst through the top of the cake.
Hey y'all! What's shaking, Jasmine?
The genie said. The genie's friends rushed over and gave him a big hug.
I brought you guys some presents.
The genie said.
A hat for Aladdin, a glove for Jasmine, a ruby necklace for Abu, a T-bone for Raja, and some odds and ends for this cute cottage you call home.
The genie continued. There was a gorgeous rug for the throne room, a flower plant for the garden, and... What is this thing anyway? Asked Jasmine.
Never mind that.
The genie replied. You're so thoughtful, Jasmine told the genie. Can you stay a while?
Yes.
Aladdin chimed in. As our guest, you can have your pick of any room in the palace.
That sounds like fun.
The genie said.
Palace tour time.
Next, Jasmine led Genie and the gang to the treasure room.
Look here,
Said Genie.
My old lamp. Boy, have I missed this thing.
Not.
But it still might be worth it to visit my old stomping ground. What do you say?
With a snap of his finger, the genie brought everyone inside the lamp. It was impossibly cramped.
"Get us out of here!"
Aladdin shouted. Poof! With a poof of blue smoke, the friends were free.
"Well, that was awful."
Aladdin said.
Hard to believe I spent 10,000 years in that thing.
The genie said.
Good riddance.
Let's see what other options we have, Jasmine suggested. The genie's friends showed him many different rooms, but he found something he didn't like about every last one. Too empty. Too fancy. Too drafty. Too green. Too quiet. Everyone left the tour feeling a little deflated. They decided to take a break for some afternoon tea. Jasmine pulled the genie aside. Are you okay? She asked. It seems like you're not happy in any room, which makes me wonder if something else is going on. The genie gave Jasmine a pained look. Something was bothering him. He realized a tear rolled down his cheek. When Aladdin freed me,
from the lamp,
the genie began.
I couldn't wait to get out and see the world, and it was great for a while. But then I started missing my friends, so I came here. And
He paused.
seeing you all in your happy home, well, it makes me wish I had a place where I belong.
Jasmine smiled. It sounds to me like you don't need a guest room, she said. You need a home, and I am happy to tell you it's right here with all of us. Jasmine, Aladdin, Raja, and Abu wrapped Genie in a warm embrace.
Thanks, friends.
The genie said. He was feeling better, but not totally relieved.
There's just one tiny weensy problem.
What's that? Jasmine asked.
We still don't know which room I'm going to live in.
The genie answered. Jasmine smiled. I have an idea, she said. Follow me. The princess led the group inside the palace and back to the pillow room. Take Eureka! Look at this, Jasmine said. The genie looked around.
He said, not too big, not too small, not too bright, not too dim. Definitely not a magical lamp. That's good. Not too creepy, not too plain.
He paused.
Hey, Jasmine. Al, this room is perfect.
Jasmine, Aladdin whispered. Isn't this the first room we showed him? Jasmine whispered.
It most certainly is. We finally found it.
The genie cried, flinging himself onto a large cozy pillow. He smiled widely. It was good to be home. The end. If you guys like this type of video, give it a like and subscribe, and also don't forget to check out our other videos and playlists. See you tomorrow for day 4. Bye.